More breaking news coming in now. There has been an FIR filed against Akali Dal leader Manjinder Singh Sirsa. It has been now filed by Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing. The case pertains to irregularities in the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee is what we are given to understand. Prashant is live with us for more on this. Prashant, what exactly is the case and what are the sections under which the FIR has been filed?
Well, Poonam, you see the case has been filed by the EOW of Delhi, and now if you look at the reactions and the first reaction that has come in from the party and also Mr. Sirsa, who I could speak to some time back, there's a clear sense that he says that these FIRs, all the complaints and everything is being done against him at a time when he's supporting the farmers' protest. He's one of the vocal leaders to have come out and supported this particular protest, and he says that just because of the fact that he is doing so, that's the reason perhaps why government wants to go after him.
Right.
And that is why these complaints are being filed against him.
Right, it's vendetta is what the claim is. Priyank is also with us. Stay with us, Prashant. Priyank, this case pertains to irregularities from the Shiromani Prabandhak Committee is what we're given to understand. What was the role of Manjinder Singh Sirsa that is now under the scanner of the EOW wing?
See, basically the use of the fund which was supposed to be used by this committee. And let me tell you to our viewers that this matter was already before the court, and this FIR has been filed after the court had instructed the Delhi Police EOW to go ahead with the investigation. On Thursday, the FIR was filed by the EOW, where Manjinder Singh Sirsa and other accused not named have been mentioned in this particular FIR. It's a two-page FIR which has also been accessed by Times Now. So that clearly shows that on the basis of the investigation which was already going on by the Economic Offence Wing, the Delhi Police have filed an FIR, and the matter was also under the court's scrutiny.
Right. Has there been any reaction coming in from Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Priyank?
No. So far, no reaction which has come out. We are expecting that, like the manner in which he responded when he was detained and arrested by the UP police yesterday, he would also talk about this particular issue, which is a very serious allegation. What we are learning from Delhi police that he will be soon told to join the investigation. A proper notice will be served to him to join the investigation in this particular case.
Right, we'll try and await a response from the Akali Dal leader there. But for the moment, Priyank and Prashant, thank you so much for getting us those details.